In this video, we're going to go over the nth root of complex numbers. And for our example, we're going to first find modulus and argument. Modulus is a squared plus b squared. And for our case, a is negative 16, b is 0. And we simplify it, and we get 16 as our r. Argument, we use tangent theta equals b over a. B is 0, a is negative 16, that's equal to 0. And argument is equal to pi, because when we try to locate or graph z equal negative 16, it's on the negative part of the real axis. So now we're going to use the formula that's highlighted in yellow. So what you can do is let k equal 0, 1, and 2, because we're going 2 and 3, right? So let k equal 0, let k equal 1, 2, and 3 in order to find 4 solutions. Instead of doing that, I'm going to use 2 pi over n, okay? And I'm going to use 2 pi over n and add it to the previous w to get the next w. So our r is 16. Our n, don't forget our n equals 4, because we're looking for all the fourth roots. And the theta, we found out that it's pi. Since n is 4, we're going to divide it by 4. As I mentioned, I'm going to add 2 pi over n, which is 2 pi over 4, to pi over 4 for our w1 argument. We're going to do the same thing for w2. Add 2 pi over 4 to 3 pi over 4. And another 2 pi over 4 to 5 pi over 4. We're going to stop here because we have 4 w's. So if I continue, if I add another 2 pi over 4 and we get w4, w4 is equivalent to w0. So it's not necessary. Now we can simplify from here. Fourth root of 16 is 2. Cosine pi over 4 is radical 2 over 2. Sine pi over 4, radical 2 over 2. Cosine 3 pi over 4 is negative radical 2 over 2. And so on. So we're going to just simplify. And when I distribute 2, we get radical 2 plus radical 2i. And I'm going to simplify the rest. So when I graph our roots, and these are our answers, radius of the circle will be 2. Okay. So we have 2 here, 2i here. And when I graph the w0 located the first quadrant, W1 in the second quadrant, W2 in the third quadrant, and W3 in the third quadrant.